Yo, what up? Peace and blessing to the fam. This is your big homie Jared with the Retro Insider, brought to you by the RetroInsider.com. Thank you for checking out the YouTube channel and the video. Shout out to all you new and returning viewers. Now, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. You know, we're bringing you all the latest news, reviews, and how to cop tips for all your favorite classic retro sneakers like the ones we have here today, which happen to be the Air Jordan 1 High OG, UNC Obsidians, which were released today, Saturday, August 31st, 2019. Retail price $160 men's, $120 grade school. Now, I was able to get 5 pairs, 2 grade school, 1 from Foot Locker, no, 1 from Foot Action, 1 from Champs, and then 3 men's, 1 from Champs, 2 from Foot Action. So, just kind of wanted to go over some of the differences that I've seen in different pairs. Now, these are the 2 men's, size 11 and a half. And I just want you to, just from this view right here, look at the toe boxes. Look at the toe boxes. Now, we're going to go in a deeper look. And we're going to look at this toe box. See the texture there? It's kind of what we used to seeing on most Jordan 1s now. Just kind of light tumbled, nothing too crazy. You know, very artificial, leathery, but still pretty legit. Okay, so let's move over here. Now, as you can see, like I said, I have not worn these shoes, stuck my foot in them, done anything to them. Look at that toe box. Look at that toe box. See all the wrinkles? And if you could guess, which one do you think is softer? Do you think this toe box and this style leather was softer, or this style toe box and leather was softer? So, of course, if you guess this style as being the softer version, without a doubt, it's 10 times softer than this. And like I said, these are the same shoe, the same size, coming from seemingly the same company. This is Nike, right? But it just goes to show that just because you getting the same shoe don't mean that every shoe is going to be constructed the same. Now, if we take a look at the side panels of each shoe, we can get a close-up look at some of the tumbleness, and this is fairly soft. Down here feels soft. This feels kind of crunchy. Right here on this shoe, the leather seems just much softer, and most of the leather matches this here, even though it doesn't have the same wrinkled texture. It just feels softer. Maybe that's just me, I don't know, but I know for a fact that this toe box, you can just tell. Look at that. Look at that. And it's even more tumbled than the left shoe on this one, but it's still better than these two over here, right? So, yeah. Overall, though, I love the shoe. Dope sneaker. That's why I got 2 personal size. I might keep both of them. I'm not sure yet, but I just wanted to show this shoe to you guys because I really do love it. And, yeah. So, in the comments below, let me know if you were able to cop a pair of these UNC or Obsidian Jordan 1s. If so, are you rocking them? Are you flipping them? What are you trying to do? If you something that you do like, let me know what you like the most. If there's something that you don't like, let me know what you dislike the most as well. But anyways, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like I said, consider subscribing. Would love to see you become a part of the Retro Insider family. Like I said, latest news, reviews, and how to cop tips for your favorite classic retro sneakers. Anyways, I'm out. Y'all have a good one. Take care. As always, stay humble and proceed.